So we just reached 10,000 subscribers on this channel. I want to especially thank you for making it possible. You made it possible because you first subscribe to the channel, you share our videos when we release our videos, and you like all of our videos. I want to especially thank you for that, and that has also encouraged me to keep on making awesome videos and quality videos to help you in your cryptocurrency journey and to take advantage of the cryptocurrency opportunities out there. Now, to celebrate these 10,000 subscribers, I have a bonus for you. Now, you see, cryptocurrency trading is one of the fundamental skills you have to acquire to make the most out of the cryptocurrency space. Okay? And the City Mastery program is one of the best programs out there because it takes a beginner and teaches the beginner, grooms the beginner on all he or she needs to know about cryptocurrency trading up to the professional level where the person now trades efficiently on his or her own. That said, I was able to secure a coupon code for the City Mastery course. Now, for just 1 week, you can get access to the City Mastery course for just half the normal enrollment fee. To do that, go to citymastery.com and enroll. When you're about to check out, enter the coupon code 10K bonus. 10K bonus. If you enter 10K bonus, you get the course at half the price. Note that this coupon code is just for 1 week, and that means that by the 27th of March 2020, this means that by the 27th of March 2021, the coupon code is going to expire. So make use of it while the opportunity lasts, and I will see you in the next video. Keep on sharing our videos. When we get to 21, when we get to 20,000 subscribers, I have another bonus for you. So see you in my next video. Bye.